entire fight has so much expression to it.
Spoilers.
New song. No, this is
Spoilers. I don't know who was that. That was him
This is
dead.
different from the previous opening. This seems like even darker.
This is like episode 1.
Yeah,
This one
demons,
zombie shit.
Denji, let me see the Yakuza guy. Yeah, this shit is dark.
Yeah, dog.
Oh, yeah.
Holy
Caraca, velho.
Oh my god. Visually, damn. This might be my favorite.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god!
What is happening? What the fuck is going on?
Oh my god.
I love this shit. Like, I don't know what's going on.
What am I looking at?
Oh my gosh, there's so many things are going on.
This guy's listening to this.
Oh my god, this ending fire. This ending godlike.
Olha
Damn, what the fuck is this? Which one?
Vira um caos, mano. Então caótico. Olha, essa
Isso não é um terror, mano.
tem um controle dele.
I think it is.
This is the best ever.
This is actually.
Por tantas partes que a música passou.
What is this
ending song? Visually, and
Nossa, eu gostei muito dessa ending, velho.
like, this song is insane,
Oh my gosh.
and the visuals are.
Nossa, muito foda, muito
What the fuck?
All right.